Start. First 1 minute hours. Started there.
అందరికీ నమస్తే, వెల్కమ్ టు ది స్పార్క్ అకాడమీ. నేను మీ సిఎస్ఆర్. సో ఈరోజు మనం యాజ్ ఎ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ లెర్నింగ్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ దిస్ వీడియో ఎవ్రీ వీక్. సో ఈరోజు నీకు స్టేట్స్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాటర్ అనే ఇంకో చాప్టర్ గురించినటువంటి ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కి సంబంధించిన వీడియో చేయడం జరిగింది నాన్న. సో ఫ్రమ్ టాప్ టు ఎండింగ్ వరకు, ఓకేనా, స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి ఎండింగ్ వరకు స్కిప్ చేయకుండా చూడండి. యూ విల్ గెట్ డెఫినెట్లీ 1 మార్క్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ చాప్టర్ అండ్ ఇన్ JEE NEET you will definitely get 4 marks, okay nana. So damn sure questions I will tell you right now. So everybody is get ready to watch this and you have to ask your questions on chat box regarding the admission and regarding the questions, regarding the doubts, anything you want to ask, you have to use that chat box in the YouTube, okay nana. Let's go for this one nana. So welcome to this Spark Academy, the chemistry world. As a faculty chemistry I am doing this video nana. So very good. So let's go for this one. So first of all what you are doing, so every day I am doing this one chapter. So as every chapter is states of matter now, okay, states of matter. States of matter, this is the one. States of matter. So in this chapter, generally in EAMCET, they are asking one question from the area. So that is the weightage on one question from this area. And also in JEE you will get the 4 marks. And one question, for if you are getting right answer, you will get 4 marks. If you are getting wrong answer, -1. So generally maximum marks are from this chapter is one question. Sometimes they are asking the 2 questions, but go for the one answer. So everybody please ask your questions in the chat box. So let's go over the introduction now. So everybody know about it. What is states of matter? If you want to know the states of matter, first of all you know that what is matter. Is it right? Yes. So matter means simply, you don't by heart any definition or anything, just simply it has mass and it occupied by space. Simple now. It has some mass, okay, and it occupies the space. Anything is called matter. That means simple nana, matter should be there. Matter. So that means it will occupy the space, occupied any space, and also it has some mass. Okay, that means weight. For example, this pen, this is a matter. And also you take this mobile is also matter. The table, okay, this stand and this screen, everything is going under matter because it has some mass and it occupied the space also. Yes or no? This screen is occupied this much of space. Sir, is there any non-matter? Yes, non-matter is also there. Simple nana. So which one contain don't know that mass? For example, feelings. Yes or no? Feelings. What is that? Sad, happiness, angry. So these all are comes under non-matter now. So we right now we are not discussing about non-matter, that is out of syllabus. Just we have to discuss the states of matter, that is matter. So first of all, matter is divided into 3 types. Now what is that? Solid state. Next one is liquid state, and last one is gas state. So 3 states are generally, actually 5 right now they are finding that 5 are there. So but generally we are discussing about 3 now. Familiar, we are familiar with these 3. So in this one we discuss about the total information of this one. So this is the introduction nana. So in this one we discuss about the gas laws. Okay, so what are the gas laws and what is the molecular weight and what is the molecular formula and what is that molarity. This formula according with, and also you have to mainly focus on gases. That means everywhere this molecular weight will become, because It is the fundamental. Clear? So right now we have to discuss about the all gas laws, and also then after we go for this one. What is that? Kinetic molecular theory. Kinetic molecular theory, KT. Clear? Yes, Nana. Guys, you can ask your questions on this chat box, which is related to the admission and also subject wise. Okay, clear? So this is the one. Next, and some important. What are the importance? I will tell you right now. First of all, discussing about gas laws. Then after discussing about kinetic molecular theory. In this one, gas laws are very, very important now compared to this one. Sometimes they are asking kinetic molecular theory also, but most of the time we discuss about gas laws. What are the gas laws? I will tell you right now. And also some other than gas laws also there. Regarding about the velocities, okay, now different types of velocities and different types of ratios we will be discussing right now. Okay, so this is the answer. Before starting the lesson, I just informed to that we have this Spark Academy now. So from the Google Play Store, you can download this Spark Academy. Every time I am repeating this one now. If you want to know any information, please call this 8977525461. This is the number you have to note down now. Because if you want to know any information regarding the academy or courses, whatever it may be, you can contact this number. You definitely get that your best information. Yes. Then after this is our academy. Now you can follow in this one online, and also this is the Instagram and YouTube also there. So two possibilities are there here. Instagram and YouTube, you can follow us. So next one, this is the link now. So in this link, you have to provide YouTube lectures, free research sheet, free materials, and all latest updates now. All latest updates we can here. So you can scan this one now. If you have a little bit of confusion, you can scan this code, you will get that information. And also the contact number is here now, 89775255, another one 461. Okay, Nana? You can also WhatsApp them. So our team will be in contact with you. So they will clarify your doubts. Okay, next one, this is done. So generally when I am starting any lesson, I just show this periodic table because it is more respectable for me. So as a chemistry lecturer, I will respect my periodic table because this is the heart of the chemistry. Okay, now so every time, even though which chapter I will deal, definitely I will show the this periodic table, Nana. So this is the one I will respect this. Next, go for this one. So today states of matter, we discuss about more the gases. Can you guess any gases in this periodic table? Guess. Yes, hydrogen is a gas. You already know that. Nitrogen is a gas. Oxygen is also gas, fluorine also, and so many gases are here. Chlorine also gas, so many gases also there. So by these gases, how the gases are moving, how the gases are behaving. Sir, you are telling that states of matter is 3 types now. Then why are you discussing about it? See, Nana, solids, we have separate solid state is there. And for the liquids, liquid state is there, that is solution. But for the special of the gases, this is the chapter we are discussing. That is the name of states of matter or gases state. Okay, states of matter. Let's enter into the lesson now. So everybody, those who are watching this video is totally dedicated to the preparation of the EAMCET, EAPCET, NEET, JEE 2026 now. So everybody get ready to listen the class. Yes, go for this one. First one is going to be, first of all, you define the matter. What is the matter? Matter will be defined in 3 types. Okay, that is solids. Second one is liquids. Fourth one is and gas. Okay, na? So this is the fundamental from the childhood we are learning. So right now in this chapter, what we learn? Simple things, man. Simple thing. So whenever any starting of this is physical chapter. Till now we don't start that physical chapter. Right now I am starting the physical chapter. Whenever you have to learn the physical chapter, first of all you know the fundamentals. What are the fundamentals? You know the P. What is P? Okay. P means not a pound kalyan. P means pressure. Okay, pressure. And T means not tarak. T means temperature. And this is the one. Another one. N means you already know that more. And sometimes you have to tell that Avogadro numbers also. Okay. And small n is more. Capital N is going to be Avogadro number. So you have to know. Definitely know this one. P, T, N. Okay, na? This is the one very important. And also V also. You forget the V. Value also very important now. You already know the value. Yes, guys, please ask your questions, your doubts in the chat box. So this is the one we have to go start this one. So first of all, so many questions are coming from the gas laws. So first of all, we will learn the gas laws in this one. So out of this gas laws, definitely they are asking one question in examination. Okay. So what is that first law, Nana? So what is that law? Suppose Boy's law. Okay. Boy's law. So the relationship between pressure and value. What is that? Pressure and value. If you know the relationship between pressure and value, you can understand in the total information about this law. So first of all, I simply write this is the representation. P inversely proportional to V. Okay, this is the one. P inversely proportional to V. Okay, so this is the very important number. P inversely proportional to V. So that means if P increases at constant temperature, okay na, at constant temperature and N, okay na, T and N are constant, at that time pressure is inversely proportional to V or volume is inversely proportional to P. You can write any type, okay na. That means if pressure increases, volume decreases. If volume increases, pressure decreases. So PV is equal to constant. P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Nana, please note down this formula. Those who are listening from the rural areas, please note down. Out of this formula, definitely you will get 1 mark. Okay? Either they will ask the Boy's law, Charles law, Avogadro's law, and also Gay-Lussac law, Dalton partial pressures law, and also another one is Graham's diffusion law. Out of this all laws, definitely you will get 1 question. Okay? Yes. Ask your questions, Nana. Anybody? Yes. So, for example, they are asking this question. At constant temperature and at equal moles of this one, then, for example, how the problems are there? Starting 10 atmosphere is there. The volume is 250 ml. Okay? At the starting stage, 10 atmosphere, at that gas volume should be 250 ml. If I decrease this to 5 atmosphere, what is the value they will ask? Simple now. I am giving that just work frame. I am not giving the clear question because so many types of questions they are in your material or in your book. But how they are asking in examination? Simple now. Once they are giving that first value, then after they are giving the second value, and they will increase or decrease. Increase or decrease. Whatever it may be. Okay, now so they will ask. Simple now. They are giving the options like this. For example, it will be less than 250 and B greater than 250 and C equal to 250 and fourth one should be none. They will ask like this, none. Okay, so this is the one, this is the one you have to understand. This is the one you have to understand. See that less than 250, greater than 250, equal to 250, none. So this is the one. So first you can observe. What happened here now? According to the Boy's law, pressure is decreasing. Volume definitely should be increasing. That means greater than 250 is the correct answer. Whether it is we can calculate, you will get that answer. So simply crisscross method. How much you will get? 250 into 5 by 10. You will get how much you will get? 5 to the how much now? 250 into 5. 750. Okay, you will get that. How the value should be changed. Okay, you will get the calculation 250 into 5 and this is the one 10 atmosphere. You will get that 750. Yes, you will get that value now. So below greater than 7, 250 you will get that one. Okay, clear. So you have to do that, but you have to remember this one now. Okay, you have to remember this one. Very important. P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So this is the formula. Let's go for any questions now. Please ask me. All of you. All of you please ask me now the questions. Yes. So this is the one, so P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. This is the one. So this is the most important formula for the gas laws. Next one I will go for the another law. Very important, very important. Let's go for this one. So what is the law? Then we will be follow right now. That is called Charles law. Okay, what is that? Charles law. Charles law. Charles law. So Charles law, this is the one you have to. So according to Charles, how the relationship going to be? Simple now. For example, P, V, T and N is there. So one we completed, that is P and V is over. Right now V and T now. The relationship between V and T. V means value, T means temperature, P means pressure, N means you already know that the number of moles are related to the Avogadro's number. So this is the very important. So what is the relation? At constant pressure, and this is the moles or Avogadro numbers. Moles are nothing but equal to the Avogadro number. Whenever we are saying that moles, you have to write N. When you take that Avogadro number, you will write that capital N. Okay, so this is now. So V is proportional to T. That means at constant pressure and this N, V is directly proportional to T. That means V is increasing, T also increasing. V means decreasing, T also decreasing. That's why V by T is equal to K constant. V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. This is the one. V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. So by using this one, they will ask different types of questions now. Different types of questions. So please note down. So ask me now any questions regarding your doubts or any subject information. So please share your information. So this is the one now. So what will happen? V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. Clear? Yes, very good now. Very good. And another one, going to another one. Please remember, that means if value increases, temperature also increases. For example, I am live example I will give you. So if you take a bowl, in that bowl you pour some milk or water. After some time you will heat the temperature. At the starting time that is in sim. But after some time you increase the temperature. What is the value? Value also increasing. That's why you are getting that. ఆ పాలు అనేది మీరు మరిగించినప్పుడు ఆ పాలు పొంగొస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఏమవుతుంది? వాల్యూ అనేది ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఎప్పుడు ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసినప్పుడు వెంటనే మనం ఏం చేస్తాం? పాలు పొంగుతున్నాయని డిక్రీజ్ చేస్తాం. సో డిక్రీజ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? ఆ వాల్యూ అనేది డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అకార్డింగ్ టు చార్లెస్ లా. If value increases, temperature also increases. That means temperature increases, value also increases. This is the very important now. Very important. So please remember this one now. Please remember this one. Very important. According to, if they are giving in examination, they definitely give the formulas. Okay? Definitely gives that formulas. Very important now. Very important. So next one going to be another one. So another one, this is the one. So you have to do this. Last third one, it is going to be P is over, V is over, T is over. Then go for another one is V proportional to N. What is that law? Avogadro's law. Avogadro's law. Very important law. Very important Avogadro's law. So see Nana, some of the important questions I will be covered in this one Nana. So ఈ మనకున్న ఈ 2 hours లో 6 to 8 లో ఎంతవరకు వీలైతే అంతవరకు నేను I will push up that. If you want to learn more information, you can contact or you can join in any course Nana. Offline కావచ్చు, మీరు ఆన్లైన్ కావచ్చు, ఎక్కడైనా మీరు జాయిన్ కావచ్చు depending upon your schedule. ఓకేనా? మీ ఫ్రీ టైం బట్టి మీరు జాయిన్ అనేది కాండి. ఓకేనా? Yes. Next go for this one. Another relationship between PV is over, VT is over. Next one VN. Okay na? VN. V is proportional to N. That means equal number, see that now, at constant P and T, pressure and temperature, at constant temperature and pressure. Why are we saying constant now? If it is not constant, the value should be changed. But at that time, pressure should be constant and temperature also constant. At that time, equal number of moles or equal number of moles of the substance is containing equal value now, equal value. This is called. That means if you take any gas, for example, if you take any gas at STP, it will occupy only 22.4 liters. Okay, 22.4 liters. Okay, so 22.4 liters. So this is the one. So this is the one. So V by N is equal to K. V1 by N1 is equal to V2 by N2. So this is the formula. So very very important. Please remember. Please remember. So this is the one. You have to follow. You have to follow. This is the one. So this is the one you have to remember. Okay, V1 by N1 is equal to V2 by N2. The most important thing. The most important. Next, go for another law. That is most important law. That is Gay-Lussac law. Gay-Lussac law. Gay-Lussac law. Very very important. Gay-Lussac law. Gay-Lussac law, this is the one. Gay-Lussac law. Gay-Lussac law. So according to Gay-Lussac law, P is proportional to T nano. That means if temperature increases, pressure also increases. If temperature decreases, pressure also decreases. Or if pressure is increases, temperature also decreases. And if pressure decreases, temperature also decreases. So this is the one. So P by T is equal to K. P1 by T1 is equal to P2 by T2. So this is the formula. That means they are giving the two conditions or two situations, two temperatures or two pressures or two values or two Avogadro numbers they are giving. At that time you can follow this formula. That is what formula. So Gay-Lussac law. These are the very 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 important about this last number. So okay na. So another one. So first of all I will review this one. So how this? First of all I will go for first one. Boy's law. Boy's law. Very very important. What is the representation? P is inversely proportional to V. Second one it is going to be Charles law. Charles law. Boy's law and Charles law. This is going to be V is proportional to T. Okay. Next one it is Avogadro's law. Avogadro's law. It is going to be V is proportional to N. Next one going to be Gay-Lussac law. Gay-Lussac law. It is P is proportional to T. Here already you know that the remaining two are constant. Okay na? At this condition you have to know that P and N here, P and T. So remaining two are the constant. So this is the one. The main situation is here. So yes, very good. Sings. Yes, Tani Singh. Sir, are you from South? Okay. Okay, Nana, I am from South, but I am an Indian. Okay. So first of all, I am an Indian. Then after South, North, East, or West. Okay, Nana. So okay, I am from the South. Tani Singh, you have any doubts? Please ask me now. Okay. So places are not matter, Nana. So first of all, I will go to I am an Indian. Okay. So this is clear, na? So you have to ask any question regarding to subject. Okay. Yes. Yes, Jian Stolenbaga. Yes, very good. Good evening, Nana. Good evening. You have any doubts? Please ask me. So you are watching my classes regularly. Thank you so much for that, Nana. So Tanishing, any questions, Nana? Please ask me. Tanishing. Yes. So from this one, from you can all observe this. You can all observe the last side. Make from ideal gas equation. How it is going to be? Ideal gas. So you have to summarize this all. You will get that PV is equal to nRT. This is the formula of ideal gas equation. Ideal gas equation. See that very important. Any questions, please ask me, Nana. Tanish thinks any questions are regarding any admission. So please, you can ask more questions, Nana. You can ask more questions. I will give you response. Okay? Yes. Yes, let's go for the other. So PV is equal to nRT, Nana. So by using this one, see that what is the P, Nana? Pressure. What is the V? Volume. What is the M? Mole. What is the R? That is going to be ideal gas constant, Nana. Ideal gas constant. So you have so many values are there for the R value. So many values. So 0.0821 liter atmosphere, and also you have the joules also and liter atmosphere. So many values for the R. You should remember the R values, Nana. You should remember the R values. So very important, Nana. So you should remember the R values. So this is the one. Next, go for the another one. So in this one, T is equal to temperature. You already know that one. So difference between small t and capital you should know that one. So you already know that 0 degrees centigrade is equal to 273 Kelvin. You already know that. Okay, na? So they are giving the 25 degrees centigrade. If you convert to the observed temperature, 273 should be added. So how much you will get? 298. That means 25 degrees centigrade means 298 Kelvin. Okay, Nana? So according to same pressure units, you have to know that volume and temperature, and these are the all units you should know that, because from the childhood you are learning pressure means atmosphere, volume means you already know that cc value, ml, liters, everything going to be, and T should be you already know that centigrade, Fahrenheit and the Kelvin. These are the most valuable information about the units of this one. Okay, clear? Next one is going to be another one. What is that, Nana? Very important law, that is Dalton partial pressure law. Dalton partial pressure law. Okay, Dalton partial pressure law. According to this law, the total pressure of the gas PT is equal to individual partial pressure, the sum of the individual partial pressures, Nana. So if you take three gases, they are asking the total pressure of the gases is equal to the individual partial pressure of the sum of the individual partial pressure, Nana. So simply I will write this formula: PT is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3, etc. That means how many gases are there? You can calculate all the gases pressures. Okay, Nana? That is partial pressure, Nana. Okay. Next, go for the another one. Yes, go for the another one. Another one is very important, Nana. Graham's diffusion law, Nana. Graham's diffusion law. Very important. Graham's diffusion law. So, my dear friends, if you have want any admission or any doubts or any questions, okay, Nana, please contact this number. Again, otherwise you can chat in the box. You can ask your question in the chat box. That is 8977525461, Nana. So we have branches are located already in different areas. So please remember before going to be. Yes. So generally you can observe this, Nana. So they can, before going to explain something, just you can observe, Nana. This is the one. So we are providing some spark freedom cell, Nana. So generally these are the batches we are providing, Nana. So our batches are offline and online are there. Okay, na? When you want to contact offline, you go for the Medipatnam, ECIL, and also another one is going to be Narayana. Okay. Okay, so this is the situation you have. So features you have to check now. Restart batch, it will contain 60 now. This is for the long term and repeater batches now. So those who are want to learn from the starting, you have to join this long term and repeater batch now. So this actually 60,000, but we are providing for the 45,000 now. So journey batch now. So this is regular students, those who are going to the college regularly. It will be conducted in the evening now, generally after college classes from 11 to 12th inter-completed student. Whether you are joining in first year or you are in second year or you completed, you are waiting for the long term also, you can take this one. Actually 40,000, you go for the 30,000 nana. 25% we are giving the discount at this time nana. So that too, this is the freedom sale nana. So actually so many very less seats are available. Please take that. Another one is Yuddham nana. Very in our academy we are providing the wonderful and very valuable program that is called Yuddham and Poratam. This is very exclusive now. Pocket friendly course we are offering for you the EAMCET, JEE, EAPCET and NEET students. Those who are preparing for the 2026, we are giving you the wonderful course. This is the pocket friendly and proudly says that this is the Yuddham and Poratam is giving that 5,000 course now. You have to, okay Nana, if you have any financial problems at this time, you have to go for this course Nana. This is also valuable course Nana. This is also valuable course. You want to from the starting from the learning and you go for the after the college, you select this one. So see that the best coaching with the lowest price they are guaranteed Nana. Okay Nana? So that means we are providing very less fees. You can compare that market fees. You already know that how the fees are taking in the institute. Okay now? We are taking only nominal fees now. Nominal fees. So by using this nominal fees, we are this hostel facility available for the both boys and girls now. So whenever some people అంటే ఎవరైతే రూరల్ నుంచి వస్తారో ఓకేనా, ఎవరైతే లాంగ్ డిస్టెన్స్ వాళ్ళ హాస్టల్లో ఉండాలనుకుంటే మనకు హాస్టల్ ఫెసిలిటీ ఉంటుంది మీకు ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. ఓకేనా? సో కాంటాక్ట్ దిస్ నంబర్ నా 8977525461. Let's go for the topic now. So this is the one. Let's go for the topic. So Graham's diffusion law, the most important law which will be asked in examination definitely. See that 90%, not sure about 100% because no teacher will be tell about 100%. If you are telling 100%, this question will be means that is a scam. Yes or no? Yes or no? So I am not telling 100%. 90% they chance to ask. Okay na? Any questions guys? Please ask me. Tanishi, any question? Jians, any questions? Please ask me quickly. Yes, Graham's diffusion law. This is the very great law, so you have to remember. What is according to Graham's? What he says? Generally gases now. If you take a balloon and put one hole to that one and do one hole that one, you will get that. Okay, balloon తీసుకున్నాను దానికి ఒక చిన్న హోల్ చేయండి. What will happen Nana? The gas will be moving or enter into the atmosphere, that is outside. Okay, that means in a diffusion mode. Okay, diffusion will be happen. The main quality of the gases is diffusion. Very important. It is not possible for the solids and liquids. The main peculiar character for the gases is diffusion. That means if you are take that balloon full of the gases in that one and put one hole, it will spread all over the room. And if you go outside and you have to put that hole, the gas will be occupied the total place. That means generally solids occupy some space, liquids little bit of extent. But whenever come to the gases, what will happen? The gas will be occupied the all places of the total environment. Okay, so this is the one. So this is a particular car from the highest one, some place to another. అంటే ఒక ప్లేస్ నుంచి ఒక చిన్న రంధ్రం ద్వారా మనం ఆ వాయువు అంటే గాలి, ఓకే, ఎయిర్ ఇస్ డిఫ్యూజింగ్ అంటాం. డిఫ్యూజింగ్ దట్ మీన్స్ మూవింగ్ అంటారు. సో ఆ ప్రాసెస్ ఏమంటారు? Diffusion. See that Nana, who are preparing for the competitive examination, they don't want to by heart that definition. That is I am telling right now. Whether you are coming for the coaching or you are not taking online or offline, that's not a matter. But my personally I am giving advice: don't by heart any definition. It will not be valid. It will not valid. Just understand the concept. See that man, so many IP students, they are getting that 900, 950, but when are coming off after EAMCET and JEE, they will never qualify. Sometimes. How it is possible, Nana? It is mainly focus on concept. So learn the concept and be perfect. Okay? Any questions? GMs? Any questions, Nana? GMs? So you are watching my classes every day. Are you enjoying the classes? Give your feedback now, because every time I am observing you are attending my classes. Thank you so much for that one. So this is the one diffusion. Grams according to grams. What do you learn? Simple thing now. The diffusion rate R is inversely proportional to the under root of the density of the gas. Otherwise, R is inversely proportional to the under root of MW or molecular weight or non. Otherwise, R is inversely proportional to the under root of VD, vapor density. So simple, if 2 into vapor density is equal to molecular weight, you already know that. That means we are taking the either density, molecular weight and vapor density. What does this mean, Nana? For example, you take this one. R1 by R2, the rate of diffusion of two gases is inversely proportional to density. So under root of D2 by D1. You take any gases, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, whatever it may be, you have to take that any two gases. Yes, very good, Nana. Thank you. So see this now. So under root of D2 by D1, that means if which one has higher density, that will be diffused slowly. Which one has lower density, that will be diffuses very quickly. So by using this formula, under root of D2 by D1 is equal to under root of MW2 by MW1. That is, you already know that, and that is equal to under root of VD2 by VD1. So this is wonderful formula. Definitely all of you note down this one. Very, very important one. Yes, very, very important. So please observe this one. So this is a formula, wonderful formula you have to remember. Okay, most of the time, Nana. So otherwise, and also you have to know that this is the one part, Nana. Another point is kinetic molecular theory, Nana. Okay, so most of the time we will cover this kinetic molecular theory. So how we are going to discuss right now, I will tell you. So kinetic molecular theory. So everybody note down this one. Yes. Kinetic molecular theory of gases explain about the how the gases are behaving. Okay, na? When temperature, okay, na? It is mainly based on the temperature. Na? I am not giving detailed information right now because most of the important I am giving now. Sometimes they are asking about the kinetic molecular gases of theory. Okay, na? According to this one, you have to take that one container. If the gas is there, so here molecule has some collision and molecule and container has some collisions, and here this molecule also some collisions now. Some collisions are fruitful and some collisions are not fruitful, that is unsuccessful. So fruitful, how many fruitful collisions are there? They will be give that the speed of that gases now. So generally in kinetic molecular theory we discuss about the temperature now. Kinetic molecular theory discuss about the temperature now. If the temperature mainly based in examination they are asking, it is mainly related to the temperature. If temperature increases, kinetic energy also increases, and temperature decreases, kinetic energy also decreases. Generally assertion region critical question they definitely ask. I am not much focusing because I am focusing on last, because every time they are asking 10 to 20% they will ask this kinetic molecular theory. Remaining should be asking by gas laws. Okay. Yes, well done, well done. So then go for this one, and velocities, okay, velocities and the gas speed. For example, RMS velocity Okay, RMS velocity is also here, RMS velocity, and also you have to know that average velocity. Okay, and also you have to know that most probability velocity. So many formulas from here, Nana. So according to ideal gas, we can write this one, Nana, under root of 3RT by m, and this one EIRT by pi m. So these are the formulas, Nana, and this is under root of 2RT by m. If it is RMS, if it is the RMS velocity, okay, C RMS, C average, C MP, Nana. If you take that is the velocity as C, you can write that C RMS, C average, C MP. Most probability that is going to be this one, Nana. So very important. So please use this one, Nana. Sometimes also like this. C RMS and also C average and C most probability. Okay, na? So average velocity, RMS velocity, most probability. They will ask the ratio, na? They will ask the ratio of this one, na? So please remember this is root 3 and this is going to be root 85 by and this is going to be under root 3. See, remaining all are common. Okay, na? Remaining all are constant. This is going to be root 3. This is going to be 8 by pi and remaining under root of 2. If they are asking this order, first you will write. If they are asking this order, you go for this one. So most the probabilities and velocities they are have to remember. And also you have to remember that van der Waals constant are very important. On P and B they are giving that van der Waals constant. Here A and B is the van der Waals constants. So you have to know that P plus V by U square is equal to V minus D. Okay, na? So that is a formula you have to observe in your book, but not too much important. But gas laws are very important, man. Either they are asking from the Grahams or they are asking from the ideal gas. They are asking from these velocities, man. These are very important. So this is the information regarding the states or matter. So please remember when you go to the exam, please follow this one. So everybody you can understand this one. Right now we will do some questions. We will do some questions. Okay. So then we can understand how the reactions are going to be. Okay. Yes. So before that, okay. Sorry. Yes. But before that we have to do that. So what is the yes. So see that, Nana. So our academy is located in Hyderabad. So which is a very prime areas, which is has Narayangoda is 1, Mehedipatnam is 2, and EAPCET should be 3. Okay, na? So these are the 3 institutes. Generally they will run. Okay, Nana. So these are the 3 institutes. Physically you can contact here, Nana. So if you want to contact, our address will be given by approaching this number, Nana. Approaching this number. So those who are interested to join our academy, please join this. So this is the one. So Narayangoda, Mehedipatnam and ECL. Narayangoda, Mehedipatnam and ECL. So number 1 rank, this is the one, and this is going to be remaining 2 batches. All are going to be top institutes in the Spark Academy. So we are offering offline and online courses. So this is the offline courses. Online courses I already explained about that one. So anybody interested, please join this course. 3 branches ఉన్నాయి నాన్న, 3 branches అనేది ఉన్నాయి. సో మీకు ఎక్కడ దగ్గర అయితే వేర్ యువర్ హౌస్ ఇస్ నియర్ టు దట్ సెంటర్, ప్లీజ్ జాయిన్ ది క్లాస్. ఓకే, ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ ప్లీజ్ ఆస్క్ మీ నాన్న. Please ask me any questions. Yes, let's go for the another one. See that, Nana? This is, I already told you, Yudham is 2.1 is the one of the finest course we are offering for the low prices, Nana. See that how this price 4,999 only 5,000 we are providing the valuable information to regarding the examination. You can take only last few days are left, so you have to join. This course is exclusively for the EAMCET and EAPCET JEE. That means this course is for the MPC students. So those who are preparing for the JEE, EAMCET or regarding to any mass examinations, okay, regarding VIT, there are different types are there. So they are going for the bids. Okay, all are is related to this course now. So this course is for the MPC students, and the same way Poratam same price now. Even though it is medical and engineering, we are offering the same price now. Generally outside you can observe that, but the medical they will charge more. Okay, yes or no? But we are offering the same price. So you can take this course. For the BIPC student, we are providing this EAPCET, BIPC and NEET now. For the NEET and EAPCET examination, we are offering this one. So you can go with this one. So we will do right now. We will do some questions now. So if you want to contact our number, please go for this 8977 525461 number. So right now we will do some important previous year questions and important questions. Then we will understand how the questions are asking in examination. Okay, let's ready for this one, Nana. Okay, get ready. Yes, Nana, you go for this one. Okay. So this is regarding what? So the question is, we will do some question right now. Some of the important previous questions right now we will be delivered right now. So we will check what are the questions it should be. First of all, see that the correct mathematical equation for the Graham's law are at constant temperature and pressure. See that now. See that we already learned about the what is the matter and how many types of matters are there. So generally we discuss about the gas laws. So because we totally discuss about more part is gas only. So we are discussing about what is the gas laws now. So which one we have to find out or deliver the ideal gas equation, we have to know some laws. What is that? Boyle's law, P is inversely proportional to V. Charles law, V is proportional to T. And Avogadro's law, V is proportional to N, and another last one it is going to be P proportional to T. P proportional to T, that is the Gay-Lussac law. After that we learn Dalton partial pressure law. P is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3, and also Graham's law. Graham's law, this is the question for the Graham's law. You can observe here. See that the correct mathematical equation for the Graham's law at constant temperature and pressure. Temperature and pressure are constant. So how the formula? See that R1 by R2 is equal to M1 by M2. See that now R is inversely proportional to under root of N. That means it should be M2 by M1. So this is going to be wrong. Next one, R is proportional to 1 by under root of BD. This is right now. And here R1 by R is equal to M2 by M1. This is also right. And here R1 by R is equal to under root of D2 by D1. This is also correct because R is inversely proportional to D. R is inversely proportional to M. That's why B, C, D both are correct. 3. So option 3 is correct now. Option 3 is correct. Go for this one because I already told you. I already given that formula also. Graham's diffusion. Okay. Graham's diffusion law. I already give you very perfectly. Yes. Clear now. Next question we will go right now. Okay, now we will go with next question now. See that another question. Let's go for the another question. So this is the question we have to write now. So the question is the correct order of diffusion now. The correct order of diffusion for the gases. What they are giving? Hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and ammonia. So these four are very, very important now. Hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and ammonia. Very, very important. So we will check which one is that. First one is, what is the formula now? R is inversely proportional to M. That means which one has higher molecular weight, it will be diffused slowly. Which one has lower molecular weight, it will diffuse very quickly. Okay, clear? So by using this one, you can see that hydrogen, you already know that what is the molecular weight 2, and here it is going to be 28, and this is the oxygen 32, and this is the ammonia. So 14 plus 3 is 17. So one is 2, another one is 28, another one is 32 and 17. So arrange this order now. First H2 is there, next one is NH3 is there, then after N2 is there, then after O2 is there. So first of all H2 is there. Where H2? In all conditions H2 is there. So this is not possible. Here H2 and H2. Then after NH3 is there. But in both conditions N2 is there. So both are correct. See the fourth option. H2 is greater than NH3 is greater than N2 is greater than O2. That means hydrogen is greater than ammonia, greater than nitrogen, greater than oxygen. So this is the wonderful answer for the exam. The key point is Graham's diffusion law. Graham's diffusion law. Very important. Very important. You can contact here. Okay, you can contact here. Yes. Any questions, Nana? Please ask me. Anybody? Yes, very good. Yes. So this is the one, Nana. Next one it is going to be gases do not settle to the bottom of the container. This fact is explained by, see that one. That means gas, the properties of the gas is explained by one theory. You already know that. So Dalton tells about the partial pressure, and Boyle's law about the P and V, and Graham's law about the rate of diffusion. But what about kinetic theory of gases? This is the one right now, because the gases are not in the bottom. Okay, do not settle to the bottom of the container. You already know that how that gases has escaping nature. That means if you put gases in open container, it will be escape from there. If it is closed container, that is good, it will be stay. Otherwise, it will be going to the top of the. This is the property I already told you. So this is the special property. It is explained by the kinetic theory of the gases. Okay. Guys, okay, Anna? So wonderful. So you already, this is the question regarding to Graham's, Anna. Very important. Please remember this one. Very important, Anna. Very important. Please remember this one. Yes, let's go for the another one. So this is related to the diffusion, and this is also related to kinetic molecular theory. Another question here. See that. Which of the following corresponded to the 1 mole of gas of STP? They are asking the STP values P, T and V now. So carefully you can observe that all options, and if you are looking like this is a simple question, but I already told you here units also very important, and also you should understand how it STP, that means it is STP, you have to that standard temperature and pressure now. STP means standard temperature and pressure. In these conditions, how that should be? See that P should be 1 atmosphere. Clear? P should be 1 atmosphere. You already know that. And also T should be, see that 273 Kelvin. 273 Kelvin. This is very important now. 273 Kelvin, and also another one V is equal to 22.4 liters. Where it is P is equal to 1 atmosphere. So in this condition this is wrong. And another one T should be 273 Kelvin. So in this one degree centigrade is there. This is also wrong. From these 2, 3, V should be 22.4 liter. Here 1 liter is there. So you go for this one. Let STP. Any gas occupied the 22.4 liters. Clear? So ask your any questions. Please ask questions, Nana. So this is the condition. We are going to be do that. Yes. So next question it is going to be see that Nana. This is the condition. So match the following about this condition. Same situation. They are asking the same situation. Match the following, Nana. Match the following. So observe that question and do that. Which one is right? Carefully you can answer. Carefully you can answer. So you have to observe this. ఈ చూడండి మీకు లిస్ట్ 1 అండ్ లిస్ట్ 2 ఇచ్చారు. దీనిలో అన్నిటికి సంబంధించిన వాల్యూస్ ఇచ్చారు అండ్ యూనిట్స్ ఇచ్చారు. సింపుల్. ఇఫ్ యు నో ద యూనిట్స్ యు కెన్ ఆన్సర్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్. I already told you in this chapter units also very important. Clear? Yes, let's do that question, Nana. Let's do that question. Let's do that question. Yes, the first one is R is equal to 8.314 joule Kelvin inverse mole inverse. Okay, this is already told you ideal gas constant. Okay, ideal gas constant, and V should be 22.4 liters. We already know that where it is going to be. P should be 760 of mm of Hg and T should be 273. So 760 of mm Hg it is related to the pressure, and here they are giving another one R is equal to 0.8314 into X. They are giving in X, they are giving in joules. So please take care about this one. So first of all, A should be going to be, this is joule, Nana. So joule kelvins and it is related to the SI units. Clear? First one it is going to be. Another one, B is equal to 22.4, Nana. 22.4. This is related to the STP. Where it is here, STP is here. What is this? Gram molar volume. Gram molar volume. It is going to be B. B should be 5. Next one it is C. P is equal to. See that now at STP condition, atmosphere is 1 atmosphere or 760 mm Hg. T should be 278 at STP condition. So this is the option. And last one it is going to be X. That's why it is going to be CGS unit. So the answer is A is equal to 2, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 1, D is equal to 3. Where it is the option, Nana? So it is not correct. It is not correct. This is also not correct. The answer is 4, Nana. 4 is the correct answer. We have to observe like that. So please ask any questions, Nana. Please ask any questions. So this is the one you have to maintain. So this is the one you have to maintain. Next go for the another question. See that. The following order of root mean square speed. That means RMS. They are asking about the RMS values now. RMS value. Speed of different gases at the same temperature. The gases are different. So what are the gases here? H2 is also there, and CH4 also there, and Na3 also there, and CO2. 4 gases they are giving now. One gas, second gas, and third gas, and fourth gas. This is the fourth gas. Okay? Clear now? So please take care about this one. Please take care about this one. So this is the one you have to do this. So H2, CH4, NH3 and CO2. So how to calculate this one? RMS we already know this under root of 3 RTM. Which gas we have to take that? All are same, temperature also same, radius is 3, but value M is different. That means R is, you already know the definition of this one, speed of is inversely proportional to m. Okay na? So what is that? Root speed now. This is RMS speed is inversely proportional to under root of m. So which one is lower molecular weight? It will be moving very fastly. So we will check that which one has. This is R2 and this is 16 and it is going to be 17 and it is going to be 44. So check that. First one is H2, next one going to CH4, another one going to be NH3, next one CO2. Where it is now? So first option it is there. In the first option, see that now how they are asking on grams diffusion. How they are asking on this root mean square speeds. Okay, velocities they are giving. Okay. This time they are asking RMS. Next time they are asking average. Average means under root of 8 RT by pi, and whether they are asking the most probability MP, that is going to be under root of 2 RT by M. Okay. So any questions, Nana? Please ask me quickly. Yes, who is this, Nana? Hello. Your Chato. Okay, your Chaito. Hello, Nana. Hello. So ask your what is your questions? You have to ask any your doubts are this one. Chaito. So hello, Nana. Hello. How are you? I hope you are enjoying that festival. Okay. Yes. Any questions, Chaito? Please ask me. Chaito, please ask me your doubts or questions. Okay. Let's go with another question. In the meanwhile, you can ask your questions, and I will check your chat box and reply to the every questions. Okay. Yes. Next, go over the another one. So assertion: 8 grams of methane occupies 11.2027 liters of volume at 273 Kelvin. So please remember this at 1 atmosphere. The question assertion is 8 grams of methane. Methane means you already know the CH4. It is going to be 8 grams. Okay. And it occupies 11.202 liters at 273. That means it is STP now. Whenever STP, you already know that any gas occupies 22.4 liters. But here they are giving the 8 grams of it. Generally, CH4 means 16 grams. But they are giving 8 grams. Means if it is 16 grams, it is going to be 1 mole. That's why if it is 8 grams, it is going to be 0.5 mole. So 1 mole containing 24. So 0.5 mole containing 11.03. So this assertion is right answer. Okay. Next one. Reason is 1 mole of any gas STP occupies 22 liters of volume. Yes, reason is correct, and R is the correct explanation of the A. So the both A and R are the true, and R is the correct explanation of the A. Okay, Nana, this is very important. Okay, let's go for the another one. Another question we are going to discuss this. Assume that STP gas A has a density of 0.09 per liter and gas B should be 1.43. So 0.09 density they are giving, and here 1.43 they are given, and gram per liter. The ratio between the rates of diffusion A and B now. A is equal to 0.09. And they are giving that A as density 0.09 and B as the, they are asking the diffusion A and B now. A and B. So A is equal to this value and this value is equal to 1.43 now. So you already know that diffusion of A by B is under root of dB by dA. Okay, you already know they are giving the density. So how can you calculate 1.43 by 0.09? You will get me nearly 15.6 or 8. That means 16. Under root of 16 is equal to 4 now. That is 4 by 1. The answer should be 4:1 now. 4:1. That is the simple logic now. Simple logic, they are giving the density values. See that. they are giving the density values, and right now we are calculating the diffusion rates. Okay, now diffusion rates, we already know that diffusion is a gas diffusion is inversely proportional to the density. Okay, now so A by B, diffusion rate of A by diffusion rate of B is equal to the density of B by the density of A. Okay, clear now? Clear till now you can understand. So any questions? Chaitu, any questions please ask me. Tanish Singh, Chaitu, Jians, okay, Faizan, everybody should answer this one. Yes, all of you, very good Nana, very good, very good. So let's go over the another one. This question. So these are the important questions, Nana. So I hope you can understand. This is the one. I hope you can understand. So see that how the questions are. I am asking. Just you have to check this. Simple. I am giving a less number, Nana, because due to time impact, we are giving the some questions. Because if you want to learn more information, you can contact us. This number, or you can download our Spark Academy app, or either you can physically you can approach our academy and you will clarify your doubts now. Okay, now first you can approach our academy, then only if you are interested you can join it, because our team will be deliberate you excellently. So what is going on in this year? Okay, now yes, very good. Yes. So next one it is going to be. So here they are asking about the diffusion rates, that is Graham's law. This is key for the Graham's law. This question, and second question it is going to be Graham's diffusion law, but the rate they are discussing. Third one it is going to be kinetic molecular theory. Okay, na? KTM bike everybody know that, but you know that KMT. KTM is everybody know that KTM bike, but those who are know about the KMT, they will definitely buy a KTM. Okay, na? So this is very very important now. So that is the power of the exam, and that is the power of the subject now. Next one it is another going to be, this is 1 mole of gas. 1 mole of gas at STB. 1 mole of gas is STB. See this. Okay, now this is the very very important, very very important. So this is related to the STP. Okay, na? Standard temperature pressure conditions, and this is the one master by relating units na. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ అనేది యూనిట్స్ గురించి, బట్ ఇక్కడ వాల్యూస్ చూడండి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ప్రతి వాల్యూ ఇంపార్టెంట్ నా. సో when I am explaining any question, you don't observe that only answer. How many values are there? How many important is there? You have to go. Next one, this is going to the speeds. So generally this question RMS speed. RMS speed. This is the key factor here. Very good. Next another going to be, this is the question related to the STP value. Okay, STP and value. Okay, this is the question related to this one. And last one it is going to be rate of diffusion with density. R is inversely proportional to under root of D. Okay, so this is the one you have to understand. Okay, thank you for this one. Next, for our academy I will give you some information. Okay, for our academy I will give you some information, so please note down. So what it is going to be. So we have a greater highest percentage of results on JEE. Okay, 100+ students we are going qualified, and more top colleges, more members of the students are, and here is the highest score here, and also give, this is, you can see that now every year we are getting so much beautiful ranks. Next one, see that this is very very important, Nana. So why you have to choose the Spark Academy? Okay, why you have to choose the Spark Academy? See that now, right now. Simple thing. Sir, there are so many institutes in our Hyderabad. Why you are choosing the Spark Academy? So just now I will give you a brief information about this. Generally, what will happen in online and offline coaching? Generally, what will happen? Daily live classes it is going to be teacher. Okay, solve all your doubts in class. Generally Here 24/7 doubt clarification through AI board and special workshop and extra classes during Dasara, Sankranti and Samarna. See that? And also focus on previous year questions and important models. See that, Nana? That means we provide the daily live class. Okay, with well qualified teachers we are providing the live class. And also, whenever after teaching, what will you get? You will get some doubts. Yes or no? So if doubts are areas, the doubts will be solved in the our classroom. Then after, sometimes we are getting the classes will be bored. At that time, we are providing some live quizzes. Okay, now live quizzes and interactions with the students. The main part is shortcut methods and tricks. Now, this is very important. Why? Because the examination has a limited time. Okay, nobody will give you extra time for this one. So out of, for example, you go for the EAMCET, out of 160 question, you give nearly 1 or 1.2 minutes. So that means only 180 minutes. In that 180 minutes, you have to do that 3 hours all. So you have to answer that question in 1 minute only, 1 minute or below 1 minute only. So at that time, the shortcut methods are will be and tricks also now. Some of the question has some tricks. So normal learning and with coaching learning is different now. So if you are normally, some people are thinking that you have to, okay, that is good, okay, but every student is not getting without coaching now. So even though some students will get, but the difference between normal coaching and regular coaching and one qualified and certified coaching is different now. See that? So we have to join this one. Next one, study notes now. So we have study notes, printed material is there, written notes is there, and videos also there, audio is also there. Everything is available in our app now. Okay? Next, go for the this is the one 24/7 doubt clarification through AI board now. Okay, so you already know that artificial intelligence are how going. So if you have any doubt, get us some time. So how can you tell that? Simple now. In our chat box, you have to. This is AI bot. You have to question that one. They will answer. Okay, Nana? Yes. Next one it is going to be. These are the special workshop during the holidays. Generally, students think that Nana. Sir, సెలవులలో కూడా హాలిడేస్ లో కూడా క్లాస్ 24 అవర్స్ లో మీకు అన్ని క్లాస్ ఉంటాయన్నా సమ్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం అంటే రీజన్ లేకపోతే ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో ఆ హాలిడేస్ లో మనం జనరల్గా చూడండి కొన్ని రోజులు చదవకపోతే మనం మర్చిపోతాం. If you are not preparing for some 10 or more days, definitely you will forget little bit. So ఆ forgetness ఉండకుండా ఉండడానికి నేను ఈ యొక్క స్పెషల్ వర్క్షాప్ అనేది కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను ఫర్ యువర్ కన్వీనియంట్. మీరు ఫెస్టివల్ ఎంజాయ్ చేయొచ్చు, క్లాసెస్ కూడా ఎంజాయ్ చేయొచ్చు. We are not taking from morning to evening. We are not providing from intelligent and very interesting classes are available at that time. Okay, next one it is going to be focus on previous year now. We have a big database on PYQs. We have a big database on PYQs. So every PYQs మనం హ్యాండిల్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది, క్లియర్ కూడా చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. So very important. Yes, any question? Chaitu, any questions now? Please ask your doubts regarding admissions, regarding subject. Yes. So this is another one is personalized coaching with dedicated helpline. So this is the one personalized coaching with dedicated helpline. So another one is WhatsApp group now. WhatsApp group. So every student has a WhatsApp group is there. So in this group, what is going every day, what are the subjects are we are discussing, how many types of exams is going to be, everything will be discussed in this one. So benefit for the students and most important is that chapter by test. So when we are completing one chapter, we will conduct one test, and this is the weekend test. After every week we will conduct one test, and grand test also we will be provided. Grand test also will be provided after some chapters. Next one, post exam counseling guidance. Post exam guiding counseling. So this is the one counseling guidance. Simple. Generally any institute we are doing that is rank, they definitely అంతవరకు మాత్రమే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు. బట్ మన దగ్గర our directors are will be guide you to which type of college is best and how much you will get rank. అంటే మీ ర్యాంక్ బట్టి ఏ ర్యాంక్ ఎక్కడికి వస్తుంది, ఏ కాలేజ్ తీసుకుంటే బెటర్, ఏ బ్రాంచ్ తీసుకుంటే బెటర్, మీకు దేనికి ట్రెండింగ్ లో స్కోప్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది అనేది కూడా మీరు అప్రోచ్ అయినప్పుడు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో దిస్ ఇస్ మెయిన్ అడ్వాంటేజ్ నాన్న. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ కంప్లీట్ ఆన్లైన్ స్టడీ మెటీరియల్ నాన్న. సో మన దగ్గర కంప్లీట్ ఆన్లైన్ స్టడీ మెటీరియల్ ఉంది అండ్ రికార్డెడ్ క్లాసెస్ అవైలబుల్ నాన్న. దట్ మీన్స్ సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద యూజ్ ఆఫ్ రికార్డెడ్ క్లాసెస్? సింపుల్ నాన్న. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యు ఆర్ అనేబుల్ టు అటెండ్ ద క్లాస్, ఒకవేళ నీకు ఏదైనా ఫీవర్ వచ్చి లేకపోతే సడన్ గా ఏదైనా ఊరిల్స్ వచ్చి ఏదైనా న్యాచురల్ అన్యాచురల్ ఏదైనా జరిగి అటెండ్ కాలేకపోతే ఎట్ దట్ టైమ్ యూ కెన్ వాచ్ ద రికార్డెడ్ వర్షన్, ఎందుకంటే మన దగ్గర అవైలబుల్ ఉంటుంది. సో బై యూజ్ దట్ యూ కెన్ టేక్ దిస్ వన్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి పర్సనల్ మెంటర్షిప్ అండ్ రెగ్యులర్ ఇంటరాక్షన్ విత్ పేరెంట్స్ నాన్న. పర్సనల్ మెంటర్షిప్ అండ్ రెగ్యులర్ ఇంటరాక్షన్ విత్ పేరెంట్స్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ daily assignments now. Daily assignments, it should be you have to prepare daily assignments. Okay, so these are the very important now for the coaching now. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మన స్పెషాలిటీ ఏంటో చూద్దాం. సో స్పార్క్ మెథడాలజీ చూడన్నా బేసిక్ కాన్సెప్ట్ షుడ్ బి వెరీ క్లియర్ in the basic concepts na. That means see that how many toppers you can observe. ఏ టాపర్ ని మీరు తీసుకున్నా కూడా వాళ్ళ బేసిక్స్ అనేది చాలా స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉంటాయి, అందుకే వాళ్ళ క్వశ్చన్ చాలా విత్ ఇన్ టైం లో చాలా ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సెకండ్ లో ఆన్సర్ చేయగలుగుతారు. ఇన్ ది సేమ్ వే వి విల్ ప్రొవైడ్ దిస్ బేసిక్ కాన్సెప్ట్ వెరీ స్ట్రాంగ్ అండ్ షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్స్ నా. సో జనరల్లీ నార్మల్ వేలో ఒక క్వశ్చన్ చేస్తే 5 minutes పడుతుంది లేదా 2 minutes పడుతుంది, బట్ బై యూజింగ్ ది షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్ వి విల్ బి ఫినిష్ ఇన్ 45 seconds only or sometimes 30 seconds only. So what is the benefit? So in time లో క్వశ్చన్ చేయగలుగుతాం. సో టాప్ ర్యాంక్ వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ అనేది ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఆల్ మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ మనం అన్ని రకాల మోడల్ పేపర్స్ అనేది ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తాం, వెదర్ ఇట్ ఇస్ రిగార్డింగ్ టు ది సబ్జెక్ట్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ వెరీ అండ్ PYQ నా. సో లాస్ట్ 10 years కానీ 50 years కానీ 5 years కానీ ఎన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయో అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా మనం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తాం. సో పిల్లల చేత కూడా అన్ని రకాలుగా మోర్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తాం. దానివల్ల మనకి ఏమవుతుందంటే ఎగ్జామ్ ఫియర్ అనేది పోతుంది, ఎందుకంటే దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్ దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఇన్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్. దెన్ వై యు హ్యావ్ వరీ అబౌట్ దట్ వన్. అందుకే ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి మనం చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ చాప్టర్ వైజ్ టెస్ట్, వీకెండ్ టెస్ట్ అండ్ గ్రాడ్ టెస్ట్. దిస్ ఈస్ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. This is the most important thing. You already know this. Yes, most important thing. So please take care about this one. And last one is test analysis now. This is main advantage now. After every examination we analyze the test, okay, whether it is maths, physics, okay, chemistry, or you have to take that biology, okay. Sometimes it is make as maths or biology, okay. Maths or biology have to take how that the marks are getting down or higher, how that improvement should be. So in this one very important now, this test analysis encourage the student to how to do that questions and how to reduce the wrong answers, okay na. So that way we will be give them more information about this one. So next one it is going there na. So every week I am giving a challenging questions. Right now today also I am giving a challenge question for you na. ఇందులో నుంచి కూడా మీకు challenging questions అనేవి ఇస్తున్నాను. Those who are listening this topic, please ask me now. Please ask me about this one. Clear? The first challenging and homework question. So this is in your screen now. So please watch. Which curve does not represent Boyle's law? You already this. There are 4 curves are there, 4 graphs are there. This is related to the graph question. But if you know the Boyle's law, you already know that P is inversely proportional to P. Okay na? So you already PV is equal to P. So by using this formula you can, in x-axis V is there, in y-axis P is there, here log V and log P is there, and here P and V is there, and last one is PV and P is there. So which one is out of these four? Only one is wrong now. One is wrong. Remaining all are correct. So select that one and write in the comment box. Okay, na? Write in the comment box. That is very very important. Next one, it is going to be another challenging question. So this is first challenging question now. We will go for another challenging question. Another challenging question. That is, this is the challenging question. So you already know that how the questions doing every week. So this time also I am giving 3 challenging questions. So out of 3, I will check how many members give the out of 3 questions 3 answers correctly. Okay, na? Yes. Next one it is going to be another one. Okay. Let's. This is the one. What is the numerical value of gas constant R in liter atmosphere mole inverse? I already told you different types of units and values are there. But according to liter atmosphere mole inverse Kelvin inverse, what is the value here? Please carefully choose that. Joules is different. Joules is different, and also liter atmosphere is different, and also mole per liter is also different types. Okay, now this value is also correct, this value, but in these 4 values which one is correct you have to choose now. So that is main important one. Next go for another one. So this is another challenging question. See that one. At 27 degrees centigrade, the ratio of the RMS velocity of ozone to oxygen. That means they are asking RMS velocity, and at 27 degrees centigrade temperature also they are giving, and ozone means O3 and oxygen means O2. So find out now. How to find out? They will give only molecular weights. So now by using molecular weight, you can apply that formula. So you already know that what is the RMS velocity. You already know that. Under root of 3 R T by M. Here T is 27 for the R, both oxygen and ozone both are. So T is constant and this is also constant. By using this formula, you can calculate this formula. Okay, so see that now I am giving once again, I am repeating. First one is related to the Boyle's law graph. A is like this, B, C, D. Okay, please note down and please answer in the chat box. Anybody? So next one it is going to be another one. It is going to be second one is related to the numerical value of gas constant, ideal gas constant. So go for which one is the answer. Third one it is going to be ratio of RMS. They are asking O2, O3 and O2. If you are doing O2, O3, that will be answer different. They are asking only ozone and O2 ratio. O3 and O2 ratio. Or you can write like this, O3 and O2. Okay, if you do O2 and O3, that is wrong answer. Okay, now do this one only. Okay, now so this is the one you have to provide now. So I hope you can understand my class now. So those who are interested to watch my classes, please subscribe and share the information to your friends and your family members, whatever your beloved ones. Okay, let's go for the another one. So before this is Nana. Before closing to session, before I am going to closing the session, అంటే session close చేసే ముందు మీకు ఒక విషయం చెప్తాను చూడండి. అందరికీ అర్థమయ్యాయి కదా. సో హౌ దట్ గ్యాస్ స్టేట్ అండ్ స్టేట్స్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాటర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. సింపుల్ లాస్. If you know the laws, everything will be you can understand. And most important, see Nana, I am giving one assurance, Gram diffusion law. If you prepare perfectly, maximum chances to get in examination. Okay. So next one it is going to be See that one Yuddham, this is the program we are providing for the 2.0 Yuddham 2.0 2026. We are providing this one. See that last few days left. Okay, now last few days left, so we can enroll this course and you have to join the course. Price is seen on 4,999. 4,999 is the price. You have to remember this one because see that if we are getting any movie release or we go for any restaurant, whatever it may be, 4 members are going, family members are going, 4 friends are going. Simply 4 or 5,000 easily we are spending. But this much of amount you spend on this course, you will get entire information, the most valuable information about the EAMCET, EAPCET, JEE. Okay na? So 2026 సంబంధించినటువంటి ఎగ్జామ్స్ సంబంధించిన చాలా వాల్యుబుల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అనేది మీకు ఈ కోర్సులో ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరిగిందన్న. ఇది ఎంపీసీ వాళ్ళ కోసం ప్రొవైడ్ చేశాను. Those who are MPC, please join this one. Next one, it is going to be పోరాటం. పోరాటంలో చూడండి, పోరాటంలో 2026 లో ఏమని చూడండి 4,999 తోటి ఇది ఒక కోర్స్ అనేది చేయడం జరిగింది. సో స్పార్క్ అకాడమిక్ సంబంధించినటువంటి బైపీసీ క్యాండిడేట్స్ కోసం చేస్తున్నాను. బోత్ యుద్ధం అండ్ పోరాటం సేమ్ నాన్న. యుద్ధం ఫర్ ది ఎంపీసీ స్టూడెంట్ and పోరాటం for the BPC students. Okay na? Price is same na. We are not any changing any price for the BPC stream అయితే ఒకలాగా MPC అలాంటిది అయితే మన దగ్గర ఏం ఉండదమ్మా. సో కోర్స్ ఏదైనా కూడా మీరు డిపెండింగ్ అపాన్ కోర్స్ బట్టి ప్రైస్ వేరియేషన్ ఉంటుంది తప్ప సో ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ MPC BPC అని వేరియేషన్ ఉండదమ్మా. ఆల్ ఆర్ వి ఆర్ టేకింగ్ సేమ్ ఫీస్ నా బికాజ్ ఆల్ ఆర్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ స్టూడెంట్ నా. ఓకే, మీరు బయట మార్కెట్ లో చూడండి, ఆ ప్రైస్ కంపేర్ చేసుకోండి, మన ప్రైస్ కంపేర్ చేసుకోండి, మీకు కంఫర్టబుల్ అనిపిస్తేనే మీరు జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. సో ఇదినా అవర్ డైరెక్టర్ సార్ సంతోష్ సార్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఓకేనా ఒక మంచి విజన్ తోటి ఈ యొక్క ప్రోగ్రామ్ అనేది స్టార్ట్ చేయడం జరిగింది నాన్న. ఓకేనా? ఎస్. సో ఆయన విజన్ ఫుల్ఫిల్ కావడానికి మేమంతా కూడా ఫుల్ గా ట్రై చేస్తున్నాం. సో ఎవ్రీబడి ప్లీజ్ పార్టిసిపేట్ ఇన్ దిస్ వన్ మూమెంట్. ఎస్, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి నాన్న అవర్ రిజల్ట్స్. వి డోంట్ వాంట్ టు టెల్ అగైన్ అండ్ అగైన్ దట్ రిజల్ట్స్ నాన్న బికాస్ our work is clear, our smart work and hard work is clear and we are executing properly. The result will definitely come. It's not a shocking thing. Okay na? If you work properly, if you insert that goals are properly, the result will come. Where is the result? ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుందా రిజల్ట్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో దీని గురించి నేను ఎక్కువ డిస్కస్ చేయదలుచుకోలేదు, ద మెథడ్స్ గురించి డిస్కస్. బట్ ఇది ఒకసారి చూడండి అమ్మా, ఒక్కసారి we are providing hostel facility for boys and girls, those who are interested to join in the hostel. Okay, clear. Next one it is student na low prices lo istunna. Low prices mari em istar low prices student restart batch. It is provided for the long term repeater batch, whether it is long term batch or repeater batch. We are providing actual price is 60,000 but right now we are providing for the only 45,000 only. Okay, 45,000 we are providing this one. Next one journey na. Journey, this is the regular students na, those who are going for the college either 11th or 12th or completed. Which one is you have to take this one. Actual course price is 40,000 but we are giving for only 30,000. This is only freedom sale na. Only few days are left, maybe 2-3 days are left depending upon the closing of that batch. If batch close there is no discount na. ఓకే నాన్న. సో ఇప్పుడు మాత్రం ఉంది డిస్కౌంట్. అండ్ యుద్ధం అండ్ పోరాటం చూడండి యాక్చువల్లీ 10,000 బట్ వి ఆర్ గివింగ్ ఫర్ 5,000 ఓన్లీ. ఓకేనా? అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ నా బెస్ట్ కోచింగ్ ఫర్ ది JEE and EAMCET 2026. See that na, this is limited offer na. Every total year ఇది ఉండదు, ఓన్లీ ఇప్పుడు ఫ్రీడమ్ సేల్ కావడం రీసెంట్ గా చాలా మంది అడుగుతున్నారు సార్ ఫీజు తగ్గియండి అని. సో అవర్ డైరెక్టర్స్ ఆర్ డిసైడెడ్ అండ్ రెడ్యూస్ దట్ ఫీజ్ నాన్న. సో నెక్స్ట్ నార్మల్ వస్తే మాత్రం ఇదే ఫీజు ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? సో ఆఫ్టర్ కన్సెషన్ అంటే మీరు ఫ్రీడమ్ సేల్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ అడ్మిషన్ తీసుకుంటే మేము ఇంత ఫీజుకి అయితే ఇవ్వడం జరగదు. సో ఈ ఫీజుకే ఉంటుంది. సో హరీ అప్ అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు జాయిన్ ద క్లాస్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ చూడండి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద కాంటాక్ట్ నంబర్ 8977525461. అవర్ బ్రాంచెస్ ఆర్ నారాయణగూడ, మెహదీపట్నం అండ్ ఈసీఆర్. ఈ త్రీ బ్రాంచెస్ లో మనం కోచింగ్ అనేది ఇస్తున్నాము exclusive for the EAMCET and JEE na. Okay na? EAMCET and JEE and NEET ee mode. Okay na? MPC stream and BPC stream. So this is very important na. Next go for this is done. So if you want to download my our academy of this is, so you can observe this nana, so you can observe this logo, Spark Academy logo. Go for the Google Play Store and download. If you want to observe in Instagram, you go for this one, or in YouTube you go for this one. Okay nana, and this is the one. So these are the our institutes nana. Narayanagoda is one branch, Mehdipatnam is one branch, ECL. So prime location లో ఉన్నాయి చాలా, ఎందుకంటే అందరూ ఒక ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ అక్కడికి చాలా దూరం అవుతుందని చెప్పడం వల్ల డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ అనేది లొకేషన్ లో పెట్టాను. దోస్ హూ ఆర్ నియర్ టు ది ECL, ASR Nagar and like to up to Kisara here, and those are joining in ECL and related to the Panjagutta, Lakdi Kapur, Mehdipatnam, we are go for the Mehdipatnam, and Narayanagoda and Koti, like that Secunderabad, everybody going for the Narayanagoda. Okay na, మీకు ఏ కోచింగ్ సెంటర్ దగ్గర ఉంటే, ఏ బ్రాంచ్ దగ్గర ఉంటే అక్కడికి వెళ్ళండి. ఆల్ ఆర్ సేమ్ అమ్మ, ఆల్ ఆర్ సేమ్. ఓకేనా, సో దీంట్లో ఎక్కువ తక్కువ ఏమి ఉండదు, ఆల్ బ్రాంచెస్ సేమ్, అన్ని కూడా పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఉంటాయి, మీరు జాయిన్ కావచ్చు. ఓకే, yes. Next one, see that I already explained this one, classes and shortcut methods, workshops and previous year papers, and this is WhatsApp group will be conducted, and chapter, this is main important now. So you can observe this is very special activity from the our academy. See that now, post exam counseling. See that some of the students work very hard and they will get that rank, but they don't know how to select the colleges and how to choose the subject, that means course stream. అంటే మనం ర్యాంక్ మంచి కొట్టినా కూడా కరెక్ట్గా చూస్ చేసుకోవాలి వెబ్ ఆప్షన్లలో, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, మనం అనుకున్న ర్యాంక్ అనేది మనం అనుకున్న బ్రాంచ్లో అనుకున్న కాలేజ్లో రాదు. సో దీనికి సంబంధించిన అవర్ డైరెక్టర్స్ హ్యాస్ మోర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ టు డెలివర్ దట్ విచ్ కాలేజ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు సెలెక్ట్. ఓకేనా, అది కూడా మీకు మంచి ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ అనేది ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుందన్న, అండ్ డైలీ అసైన్మెంట్ అనేది తప్పకుండా జరుగుతుందన్న. ఓకేనా, సన్ రైజెస్ ఇన్ ద ఈస్ట్. ఓకేనా, స్పార్క్ అకాడమీ కండక్ట్ ద అసైన్మెంట్ ఎవ్రీ డే. ఓకేనా, ఇవైతే కంపల్సరీ ఉంటాయినా, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఓకేనా, yes, very good. This is the one, this is the most strongest methodology we are following right now from the last decade. Okay now, so next one it is going to be, see that now you can scan and observe this, join WhatsApp group now. So lecturer groups, free resource session. So somebody is asking, sir, yeah, we not ready to join that course due to financial problems. I will give you another link now. See that now. So those who are not interested to join, that means they have financial income is very less and they are not ready to reach here. So ఎవరైతే రూరల్ లో ఉన్నారో, ఎవరైతే జాయిన్ కాలేకుండా ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళ కోసం ఇక్కడ ఇస్తున్నా చూడండి అన్న, గెట్ టు ఫ్రీ రిసర్చ్ షీట్. ఓకేనా, ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇది నోట్ చేసుకున్నారు, tinyurl.com అన్న, tinyurl.com, tinyurl.com study 2026 నా. సో ఇది ఒకటి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ నా. ఓకే, సో tinyurl.com study 2026. ఈ యొక్క URL కనుక మీరు టైప్ చేసినట్లయితే మీకు దీంట్లో ఏమేమి వస్తాయో చెప్తాను చూడండి. ఆల్ ప్లేలిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ యూట్యూబ్ కి సంబంధించిన అన్ని ప్లేలిస్టులు, ప్లస్ చాప్టర్ వైజ్ వెయిటేజెస్ అనేవి ఉన్నాయి నాకు. ఎందుకంటే మనం జనరల్ గా కోచింగ్ రాకపోతే ఏ చాప్టర్ నుంచి ఎన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తున్నాయి, ఎట్లాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తున్నాయి, డిఫికల్టీ లెవెల్ ఎలా ఉంది, ఇవన్నీ కూడా కొంచెం అర్థం కావు. సో దానికోసం ఒక స్పెషల్ షీట్ అనేది మనం వెయిట్ చేసాము. నెక్స్ట్ హ్యాండ్ రిటెన్ నోట్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, హ్యాండ్ రిటెన్ నోట్స్ ఉంటాయి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అప్డేట్స్ నా. ఇఫ్ యూ ఫాలో దిస్ లింక్ ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ యూ ఆర్ గెటింగ్ అప్డేట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ రిగార్డింగ్ ద స్పార్క్ అకాడమీ ఆర్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్, ఏదైనా కూడా మీకు వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ చూడండి, సో సీ దట్ if you like my videos and if you want to join this one, please subscribe this icon and click the bell icon. మీకు కనుక నాకు వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్నాను అండ్ ఆల్సో ఈ బెల్ ఐకాన్ ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద వన్. ఓకేనా, ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ద ఛానల్ ఇఫ్ యూ లైక్ మై వీడియోస్. ఓకేనా, సో ఫ్రమ్ ది లాస్ట్ so many days students are supporting very I am so much thankful for that. They are enjoying my classes. I am very much thankful for them nana, support me a lot. Okay nana, thanks so much, thank you. Okay nana, next go for this one. This is nana, so this is entire information of the our Spark Academy, and also every week we are providing one nana. So last time weekly one ఇచ్చాము, ఇప్పుడు వీక్లీ టూ సెషన్స్ అనేది పెట్టడం జరుగుతుంది చూడండి. Before that we are giving only weekly one chapter sir. So many students are asking me, sir we will provide more videos, okay na, for the బై అండర్స్టాండింగ్ దిస్ వన్. రూరల్ ఏరియా నుంచి కానీ సిటీలో చాలా మంది కూడా ఏం అడిగారంటే సార్ మీరు కొన్ని ఎక్కువ వీడియోలు చేస్తే మాకు కొంచెం ఎక్కువ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ ఉంటుంది, అందుకే చెప్పి ఈ వీక్ నుంచి 2 వీడియోస్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఓకేనా నాన్న? ట్యూస్డే అండ్ థర్స్డే 2 days 6 to 8 అనేది మనకు వీడియో వస్తుంది నాన్న. సో మీరు రెగ్యులర్ వాచ్ చేసి చూడండి. ఇప్పటివరకు మనం కంప్లీట్ చేసాం atomic structure and chemical bonding, and another one is periodic properties. Okay na, that is periodic table complete. Right now today we completed the state submatter. So I hope you can understand this class nana. మీరు ఈ క్లాస్ అండర్స్టాండ్ చేస్తున్నా అనుకుంటాను. వన్స్ అగైన్ యూ కెన్ అబ్జర్వ్ దిస్ స్లైడ్ నానా. ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ప్లీజ్ కాంటాక్ట్ దిస్ నంబర్. ఈ కాంటాక్ట్ నంబర్ మీరు కాంటాక్ట్ కావచ్చు. ఓకేనా? సో స్టేట్స్ ఆర్ మ్యాటర్ కంటైనింగ్ 1 question. I am telling about questions nana, because if it is come in NEET it will get 4 marks, if it is JEE you will get 4 marks, if it come in EAMCET it will become 1 mark. But definitely this is very important nana. Okay, this is very important. So everybody nana, be confident, be clear. If you want to join the academic plus, first of all you can analyze and you can inquire that one, then after only you can join. Not only our institute, any institute if you want to join, you go and understand that how the situations are going. ఇంకోటి చెప్తున్నాను చూడండి, మన దగ్గర స్ట్రెస్ ఫ్రీ క్లాస్ కోచింగ్ ఉంటుంది. ఇది బెస్ట్ అండ్ బెస్ట్. జనరల్గా మనకు కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్ అంటే ప్రెషర్ ఉంటుంది. బట్ మన దగ్గర మనీ విన్ హ్యూమర్ వేలో మరి క్విజ్లు పెట్టడం కానీ ఏదైనా డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ మనం పెట్టేసి పిల్లలకి అర్థంగా చాలా ఈజీగా స్ట్రెస్ లేకుండా అర్థమయ్యే పద్ధతిలో వితౌట్ స్ట్రెస్ వీఆర్ గివింగ్ దట్ అండ్ లర్నింగ్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్ విత్ అన్ ఎంథూజియాస్టిక్ మేనర్. అంటే చాలా ఉల్లాసంగా ఉత్సాహంగా నేర్చుకుంటారు మా పిల్లలు. ఎలాంటి స్ట్రెస్ ఫ్రీ ఉండదు నాన్న. సో దీనికి సంబంధించినటువంటి ఇంకా ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే యూ కెన్ కాంటాక్ట్ దిస్ నంబర్ అన్న. ఓకేనా? యూ కెన్ కాంటాక్ట్ దిస్ నంబర్. సో ఐ హోప్ యూ ఆల్ ఆర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్. ఓకేనా? ఐ హోప్ యూ ఆల్ ఆర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ మై సిచ్యువేషన్. So you already know that my name is CSR from the Faculty of Chemistry, Spark Academy. Okay nana, thank you so much for the listening of these classes. Please follow every day and get that updates. Thank you, bye bye, signing off. Okay.